In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get private key from TrustWallet. Before we begin, a quick reminder about what you're accessing. A private key is the secret string that controls a single wallet address. It's different from your recovery phrase, which restores the entire wallet. Anyone who gets either one can move your funds. So proceed slowly, double check each screen, and only do this on a device you trust. First, use the web browser on your phone and go to https://link.trustwallet.com/developer. Visiting this link unlocks a hidden developer option inside the TrustWallet app. If the page loads without errors, you're set. If it doesn't seem to work, make sure your TrustWallet app is updated to the latest version, then try the link again in your default mobile browser. Next, open the TrustWallet app and head to Settings. You'll find settings on the main navigation bar or within the app menu, depending on your device. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct wallet you intend to export from and that your screen is not being recorded or mirrored. Now scroll down within Settings until you see a new option called Developer. This option appears because of the link you visited earlier. Tap it to open the developer tools. You don't need to change anything else here, just focus on the export option. Inside the developer section, select Export Private Key. You'll see a security warning explaining the risks. Read it carefully and confirm to proceed. The app will then display your private key, and in some cases it will also show a QR code representing the same key. If you copy the key, remember that your device clipboard may be accessible to other apps, so clear it after you're done. If you scan the QR code with a trusted device, ensure you're offline or using secure software you fully trust. Avoid taking screenshots or saving the key to cloud-synced notes, as those can be compromised. To wrap up, never share your private key or your recovery phrase with anyone. Treat them like the master keys to your funds. No support agent, website, or verification service will ever need them. If someone obtains either, they can immediately transfer your assets without permission. Keep the key offline, avoid public Wi-Fi when handling it, and close the screen as soon as you finish. That's it. You've enabled the developer option, opened TrustWallet settings, accessed developer, exported your private key, and learned how to safeguard it. Stay safe and handle your keys with extreme care.